Hey, I'm Suzanne Lewis, your Norwex sales consultant, and I am here to talk to you about our Safe Haven 5. This one package can eliminate over 80 chemicals in your home. Are you ready? Let me show you more. So what Norwex is a way to be able to live cleaner, safer, and better by reducing the amount of toxic chemicals in your home and helping your cleaning life just get easier. Who doesn't want that, right? So some of the products that are in this box, let me show you. You've got 5 products. That's it. That'll help you eliminate a ton of cleaning products in your home. You also get instructions, so don't worry. It comes with this great cheat sheet, all right? The next thing it has is your Enviro and your window cloth, all right? These are our dynamic duo. These 2 products alone can help you reduce a ton and make cleaning so much easier. Your Enviro cloth, you just get this wet with water, wring it out, fold it into 4s. That gives you 8 different cleaning sides so you can keep flipping and going throughout your home. Again, this is just water, all right? Your window cloth, this is your polishing cloth. This is a silky, shiny microfiber. It's very smooth. It's larger. Again, you want to fold this in 4s if you can, or you may even need to go down a little bit, all right? This is your polisher. So your Enviro is your cleaner. So this is your Windex and your paper towel, your stainless steel cleaner and your paper towel, your chrome cleaner, paper towel, granite, and your paper towel. You get the point, right? So let me show you a super quick demo. Anybody's mirrors or glass look like this, right? So all you do is you take your damp EnviroCloth, fold it into 4s. Because of our microfiber, it's able to pick up and remove everything off of the surface, okay? So those dog nose prints, those kid fingerprints, dog noses, kid fingerprints, greasy fingers on the glass doors, stainless steel, all of that. Look at that, you guys. Ta-da! Now you see how messy my desk is. It is that simple. So what makes our microfiber so different? Traditional microfiber is only 1/6 of a human hair. Ours is 1/200th, okay? So what ours is able to do, it's able to pick up and remove up to 99% of bacteria off of the surface. This includes dirt, grime, grease, all of that. You can use this on your clothes, on your carpets, on all of your appliances, inside and out, everywhere, all right? The third reason that this is so different, so 1 is the density of the cloth, 2 is the fact that it can pick up to 99% of bacteria, and 3 is our backlock technology, okay? So when you see the word backlock, you only want to use water or another Norwex product, okay? Now, backlock is Norwex's trademark for the microsilver, so this allows you to be able to use these cloths longer. Traditionally, you can go about 7 to 14 days before these need to be laundered. It is amazing. So it suffocates bacteria and doesn't allow it to reproduce and multiply, giving you that stinky, musty, mildewy smell. Yes, you know what I'm talking about. So you just go. These are your dynamic duo. They come in your Safe Haven 5. The next one that's in your box, let's grab the box again, is our dusting mitt, okay? So what you do with your dusting mitt, you want to static electric. Work it against itself. It's a static electric charge, so it doesn't matter whether you're left-handed or right-handed. You can use this. Everything just sticks to it like a magnet. So I've got another demo. This is flour, all right? So it represents dust. You just take your dusting mitt. TV screens, lampshades, blinds. See the dust in there? Or the the flour. AC returns. Take it to the beach. Wipe the sand off your feet, your chairs, your coolers, whatever. When you're done, take this outside and beat it off, or you can get a brush to brush it all out. That easy. No more furniture sprays. None. So no more blowing those little things up into the air to blow all around for you to ingest and inhale. Just the cloth. All right. If you're cleaning screens, add the water. All right, next in our box is our cleaning paste. This is your heavy duty cleaner. This is phenomenal. Flat top stoves, soap scum, hard water, rust marks on the stainless steel sinks, tub rings, if you've ever left a shave container or a bobby pin and it's rusted. So I just wrote with Sharpie on my piece of laminate, Again, you just take your EnviroCloth, damp with just water, in your cleaning case, 3 natural ingredients, marble flour, coconut oil, and natural soap. This replaces almost every heavy-duty cleaning product you have in your home, all right? It's phenomenal. Want to know more? Ask me. You just swipe it in like so. A little bit goes a long way. Sorry. Okay. And then you wipe. It is this simple. I love this on my flat top stove. Okay. You may need a little bit more. That's okay. You just swipe it again. And you go. White-soled shoes. Wipe it off. Da-da-da-da. All right, last product is our detergent. I love this. There is, this is 100% biodegradable, no sulfates, no phosphates, no chlorine, no bleach, no fillers, no dyes, no fragrance, no animal testing from beginning to end, nothing. You only use a teaspoon in HE, and 3/4 of a scoop with regular. Has a lot of other tips besides detergent, so check with me for more. You guys, if you are a Norwex newbie, this is where you want to begin with your Safe Haven 5. It just makes cleaning easier. Say goodbye to your all-purpose cleaners. Say goodbye to the paper towel waste. Say goodbye to painful breathing, all of that, because your primary product that you are going to use is water. It can't get any safer than that. All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed my quick demo of the Safe Haven 5. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.